Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video we're going to be doing the March Bellabox, so let's get into it. So it feels like a heavy one this month, so that is something to look forward to. And the theme is Runway Ready. So the first thing in here, which is the biggest, is these Voeu Micellar cleansing wipes. So these say flash refresh, swipe left on panda eyes, and to waking up with last night's face on your pillow with these pore purifying witch hazel water loaded cleansing wipes. So this is full size, 25 wipes. Usually we only get 5 wipe samples, which is, you know, it's great to get the full size. And this retails for $1.50 at Woolworths. So we paid $20 for this box. I wish, you know, we got something that cost more than $1.50. So yeah, I'll use them, but come on, like, yeah, $1.50 product, really.
Oh, that's nasty.
Next is something that I've already received multiple times in Bellaboxes, and that is the Palm. Oh, it's a hand sanitizer. Oh, because we've gotten the body washes and they look exactly like this. I've received those a million times. I've not received the hand sanitizer, but that's really good because who doesn't use hand sanitizer, right? Your latest handbag essential has arrived. This sanitizer has a light burst of lemon and white citrus that proves a boost of freshness, helping you carry on with your day with beautifully scented germ-free hands. Looks like this one's full size. It retails for $3.69 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and independent grocers. Smells really fresh, so that's great. It's an interesting product. We haven't really received hand sanitizer before, so I'm actually keen to try that one out. Next we have Mavala nail polish. Okay, a nail polish. I can't wear nail polish at work, but say hello to Movella's toxic-free, cruelty-free and worry-free nail polish in one of their best-selling classic colours. The unique formula allows your nails to breathe naturally, and now you can have polished tips all the time without the fear of damaging your nails. This is full size, I guess, for $8.50 at the Mavala website. I got the shade La Paz, so it is a hot pink. Not really exciting to me. I don't see myself using it. I don't really use a lot of nail polish. My own nails get destroyed at both my jobs, so yeah, it's another one. So next we got a little perfume sample. This is the Acqua de Parma Chinotto di Liguria.
Blé de la blé de blue blah blé.
So that a refreshing and lively scent of unique land contrasts, a perfect memory of a sunny morning walk overlooking the deep sea into the better Chinotto and mandarin trees. A delightful embrace of sand and sea echoes in the sunny touches of jasmine and geranium notes, then is refreshing by the energetic notes of rosemary and cardamom accents. Finally, a patchouli and musk accords evoke the silence and peace of an untouched nature for a pure moment of well-being.
Okay.
That was a mouthful. So the full size of 75 mils retails for $119 at David Jones and Maya. So of course we've only got the kind of little throwaway sample. Ooh, I'm not a fan. It smells a bit old lady. Now I stink. This is something I've definitely received a million times, and it is the Palmolive Body Moisturiser Sachet. This is just a bonus, so I can't be mad about that, but give me something new, you know. And the last product is the one that they kind of like, you know, tell everyone about, and it is the Bang Beauty Brow Cream. The power to craft any brow imaginable is finally a reality. The Brow Cream by Bang Beauty is your new secret weapon for shaping, sculpting and filling your brows for a high impact budge proof look. You will receive either milk chocolate, auburn or dark brown. Retails for $22 US. Available at the Bang Beauty website. So I got the shade Milk Chocolate. So comes with a little brush. Don't think I'll use that, but that's just what it looks like. And that is the colour there. It might be the tiniest bit light / warm for my brows, but I'll give it a go nonetheless. You never know, with a brow gel, maybe some powder on top, it could look totally different. So yeah guys, that was everything we got in the box. I have to say that was a very disappointing box this month. Last month was an amazing box, and the only thing I'm really excited about is the brow pomade and the hand sanitizer. I didn't really feel very excited about any of the other products. A nail polish I can't use because of my work, which that's not Bellabox's fault. I'm sure there'll be a lot of people out there who would enjoy that nail polish. The face wipes, fine. At least it's 25 wipes this time. But, you know, they're only a $1.50 product, and, you know, why can't we receive a 5 wipe of that as a bonus? Because a $1.50 product is kind of a rip-off, you know what I mean? One of the main products is $1.50. Come on, that's so unfair. Yeah, that perfume was like, oh, it was a bit more mature for my taste, I guess. And yeah, the sachet sample I've received a million times. Not exactly excited about that either. So yeah, not a very exciting box this month. Hopefully next month's box is a lot better, but I'm glad, you know, we did receive the brow pomade, which at least we get some makeup. But yeah, I'm very underwhelmed by this box, you know. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.